Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft 365 for LinkedIn content creation tools, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the official Microsoft 365 website. Once there, locate the subscription options. You will see different plans available for Microsoft 365. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the selected plan to view more details. Take note of the features included in each plan. Next, you will be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After signing in, provide the necessary payment information. Review your order summary carefully. Once confirmed, click the Place Order or Confirm button. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Now, return to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Log in using your newly created or existing Microsoft account. Navigate to the Apps section. Locate and select the LinkedIn content creation tools. You may need to download or enable these tools. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, open the tools and begin creating content. Explore the features available to enhance your LinkedIn presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.